Restless leg syndrome, also known as RLS, is a very common issue, and it is often the cause of a sleepless night and constant tossing and turning in bed. Mayo Clinic says that over 3 million Americans suffer from this condition, which is incurable. RLS is a very uncomfortable condition which is manifested by leg cramps, which can wake you up in the middle of the night. Besides the legs, the head, arms, torso, and other body parts can be affected. The main cause for restless leg syndrome is a disruption in the nervous system, which in turn makes the legs twitch and move uncontrollably. The symptoms occur during the night, driving the person crazy. The worst part is that RLS can be really painful and make the person's life extremely unpleasant. The sensations are often described as itching sensation, which can be alleviated by walking around. The condition itself is incurable. However, there is a natural remedy which many people have sworn by. This trick is based on the use of bar of soap. All you have to do is to place the soap between the sheets or under the bottom fitted sheet. Many people tend to put the soap in a sock before placing it between the sheets. Replace the soap every month as it tends to shrivel and dry in about 30 days. It is very important to check its condition on a regular basis, as dry soap doesn't release ions and doesn't help at all. The key is to keep the soap fresh all the time. Even though this method is still not backed up by science, those who have tried it swear by its efficacy. These people claim that keeping a fresh soap under the sheets provided relief from their RLS symptoms. So, if you are suffering from this condition, give this method a try. It is all natural, it doesn't provide any side effects, and it is very effective.